Hi guys, good afternoon. I want to show you one nice setup that's presented this morning on EURJPY. I was following it, hopefully, well, I was hoping for it to trigger in the first half of London, but well, it just didn't. It took too long to take off, and now it's afternoon, and as you know, I don't trade in the Friday afternoons after noon lunch, after lunchtime Euro time. Anyway, I'm gonna explain the setup for you. This is the 4 hours chart for the EURJPY live chart. Current price 163.31. As you can see, we have a nice up channel, okay, forming in the 4 hours chart. I don't know if you remember, but if you scroll down in my blog, you saw that I took this W formation trade, okay. It was last week. I entered right there, and well, it's given out quite some nice profits. Anyway, let me zoom in a bit for a clearer view. Okay, here we are. Yeah, it was basically a trend trade with all the factors that I usually look into coming together, moving averages, pointing in the same direction, moving averages also parallel to each other and in order, etc., etc. As I always explain in my system, in my website. Let's zoom in a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. There we are. So yeah, we had a retracement after making a new high. Okay, yesterday we had a retracement to the area I call the dynamic area of support and resistance between the 30 and the 50 moving average. And we form a nice little hammer of that area, as you can see. Also for Fibonacci followers, it's banked right on the 61% Fibonacci level, right on the peak. Okay. So this is what I was looking into this morning to trade in the first half of London session. Let's zoom into the 1 hour chart now to search for a trigger. Long, okay, we see that we have a downward channel that broke out to the upside, retested the low, the bottom of the channel from above, and then we continued going up. This would have been the trigger, okay. This would have been the trigger right there, as we pipped above the. Hold on, let me draw that properly, please. Just 1 second, it won't take long. Right there. Okay. Okay, this is a retracement channel. So yeah, we had the retracement channel. Once we topped out on the previous swing high, we entered in a retracement channel. Okay, we banked on the 61% Fibonacci level, right in between the 4 hours 30 and 50 simple moving average area, which is the area I like to buy from. We formed a nice hammer in the 4 hours chart. Okay, it was a nice hammer of the 61% area. So I was searching for an entry. That's why I'm zooming into the 1 hour chart. We break out of above the retracement channel. Then we had a pullback, a 1 bar pullback. You see this red bar there? That's a 1 bar pullback. Okay. Breakout, retrace, and then making new highs would signal our long entry. 2 reasons as to why I didn't enter at that precise moment. First of all, as mentioned, it's Friday afternoon. I don't trade Fridays post noon Euro time. And second, this is non-farm payroll bar. Okay, that's a nasty bar. That's a non-farm payroll kind of scare me. Actually, it scares every single technical analysis trader. So I I couldn't trigger based on that. Even if it wasn't Friday, I wouldn't have triggered off that bar because well, it's a non-farm payroll. We are expected to see some wild spikes on the chart. Have a look at this. It's a massive spinning top. You see this bar? It's a massive spinning top. So I wouldn't have triggered. There were two reasons I couldn't have triggered this entry, both being Friday afternoon in Euro time, and second being a non-farm payroll. But anyway, from a technical point of view, if it hadn't been the non-farm payroll and it hadn't been Friday afternoon, this would have been my entry, guys. Just wanted to show you this setup to you, okay? Once again, it was a beautiful bounce off the area I like to buy from, which is this band between the 30 and the 50 in the direction of the main trend, okay? After a retrace that's banked right on the 61% Fibonacci, so a few elements coming in our way, coming together, and well, finally the breakout and retest of this retracement channel just, well, gave us a green light. Breakout, pullback, and retest, and then we take out the high of that breakout thrust, making new highs, and that's green lights for the long. Anyway, that's the technical setup and the reasons as of why I didn't take it. Okay, bye bye guys.